Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT from Gigabyte. It's about time to upgrade my oldest graphics card. With gaming OC 16GB GDDR6 WinForce, it is the overclocked edition. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Obviously I will install it at my PC, run some tests and see how it's performing in real conditions. Manual, and I don't think so we have anything else in the box. Yep, correct. Seal it, I like it. Let's take a look at this beauty. Whoa. Just love it. Gaming starts here. Nice. Wow, it looks amazing. I like the design. The exterior features a multi-layered structure combined with varied surface material finishes, blending the futuristic armor with mechanical aesthetics. Unique texture cover the curved surfaces. It features server-grade thermal conductive gel, innovative hook fans with alternate spinning, now it looks better. I love how it looks. We have a composite copper heat pipes, a copper plate, 3D active fans, and screen cooling. Extended heatsink allows air to pass through, providing better heat dissipation. We can see in here the texture. RGB lighting with 16.7 million customizable color options and numerous lighting effects. You can choose any lighting effect or synchronize with other devices in Gigabyte Control Center. Featuring a power armor design with a sliding side plate. I will show you after I will connect it at my PC. Allowing users to customize their build to match their unique style. The reinforced metal backplate securely fastened to the I/O bracket provides exceptional structural integrity. We have three outputs, one HDMI 2.1B and another two display ports 2.1A. 8-pin power connector recommended about 450 watts power supply from Gigabyte. My PC has 1000 watts power supply. And we have a power indicator here. When experiencing any power supply abnormality, the indicator will alert gamers by flashing light. And don't forget, this is a PCIe 5 connection. And if you want to check my video for the oldest graphics card, you can do that after the end of this video right in the corner. Dominating the gamers. I like the texture. It's too bad for me because all the time the fans and the cool part of the graphics card, it is at the bottom area. I like how it's spinning. Heatsinks here we can see. Game clock is up to 2780 MHz and the boost clock up to 3320 MHz. It is a great looking graphics card. So let's move on. Make the installation and power on. Now at the Gigabyte Control Center, performance, automatic tuning, you can see the status, GPU clock, VRAM speed, GPU core voltage, utilization and temperature, default or overclocked GPU. We have a warning, apply, or default. Overclocked GPU, preset tuning, efficiency first or performance, efficiency or performance. So easy to choose. Customize, you can choose the profile, add the profile, edit, export, import, GPU clock, max frequency you can adjust, decrease or increase, power and voltage, GPU voltage, you can increase but you can decrease, power limit, percentage, memory, default or fast timing, max frequency you can adjust, increasing or decreasing. I prefer automatic tuning overclock. Fan control, you can choose again the profile, edit, export, import, auto mode, customize, dynamic or fixed, dynamic, and here you can adjust the percentage for the RPM and the temperature. You can make your own adjustment. Default, you can reset, customize again, auto fan stop, disable, enable. Now the fans are spinning, we can see, off, or you can choose fixed, again are spinning and you can adjust 77%, maximum 100%. Let's check the sound at maximum 100%. %. Or dynamic again. It is your choice how you want to use that. Auto. On auto mode it stops, but customize, disable auto fan stop, it starts again. We can see in the RPM here, or fixed, maximum, and there is the maximum RPM. And RGB, of course. Here on RGB you can adjust, you can synchronize all the RGB lighting, motherboard, VGA, RAM. Choose cycle. Nice, I like that. So, let's move on and start gaming.
The Slayer is dangerous. Keep your distance.
I am especially impressed with the smooth performance at high resolutions, the factory overclock and the Gigabyte's cooling solution. It keeps things cool and quiet even under load.
Ensign, do you have a lock on the Slayer's location? Confirmed. Weapon drop incoming in 3, 2, 1.
If you're looking for a card that handles modern AAA titles with ease, this is a serious contender. The 16GB of VRAM is the real star here, giving you plenty of headroom for high-resolution textures and future-proofing your build for years to come. Gigabyte's WindForce cooling system kept our temps impressively low even under full load, and the factory overclock gives you that extra bit of boost right out of the box. It's a slick, powerful and reliable card for any high-end gaming rig. If this breakdown helped you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming GPU benchmarks, PC builds and comparison videos. Thanks for watching, happy gaming, and I'll see you the next one.